Hello, my name is Nikolai Poznikov and I want to give you a quick demo of Remote Admin for Relativity. It's an iPhone application that runs on an iPhone and iPad, and it allows you to connect to Relativity to either enable or disable users, as well as add or remove users from security groups. So let's start the application. And first you will have to enter your Relativity server name, username, and your password. And you can see I already have all the information filled in for the demo. Now we're going to click on options, and here we can configure where we want to look at all the users on our Relativity server or just the active ones. So I'm going to allow me to see all the users. On some Relativity installations there are a lot of users and you don't want to see them all, and you don't want them clogging up your screen. So that's the option that will turn them off. So I'm going to click on the login, and this will take me to the next screen. Here I can either manage users or groups. I'm going to go to users first, and you could see that I have a number of users here, and one of them is disabled. Just by clicking on this checkbox, I can reactivate this user, and this change happened just now live on the server. And same way I can disable the user again. If I'd like to manage groups, I can go to this option and I can select a group. In our case, we'll choose a Relativity script admin, and the application will download all the users that belong to that group. And now we can choose to add another user here. So I can click on the add button and I will add Michael. And now this user has been added and the user list has been refreshed. And again, this change already happened on the server. So there is no additional synchronization that needs to happen. All this is happening live. So now if we want to remove a user from the group, we just swipe and click delete. And there we go. And the user has been removed from the group. And now we can go back and return to our admin tools menu. One of the experimental features I have in this application is something called batch operations. This is where you can go into your documents and affect those documents somehow. So I'm going to choose my Enron workspace, and I'm going to find a saved search of produced documents, and I can go into my batch operations. Now, I'm not actually going to run this batch operations, but I will quickly talk about what these are. First item I have is create list from begin and end numbers. A lot of times I hear people are looking to search for the pages within the documents. And if you have a document that begins with ABC001 and ends at ABC005, the numbers in between are not searchable. So this function will generate those numbers in between. So it'll populate a field with ABC001, comma, ABC002, comma, ABC003, and so on. Next option is merge two fields, and here you can just simply combine two fields together with a delimiter. And the third option is extract field from other props. So if you're using relativity processing, you know that there is a field called other props that contains a lot of additional metadata. So you may need a little help of getting the data out. And if I select what I'm looking for, I can click on the field name that I'm looking to extract, and this will be just a text field. So I can say I'm looking for message class, and I can choose which field I would like the output to be written to. So I'm just going to choose field that's not important at the moment. And now I can hit the go button, and this will run through all the documents and will populate that field. Now keep in mind you are doing this on your phone or an iPad, so you don't want to run this on a large set of data. This is more of an experimental feature where you can run it on a few hundred documents and see see how it looks and see if it's helpful. And that's basically it. This is the application. Please download it from the App Store. Thank you for watching.